We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary. We'll be looking at an example of sentence as well that will help us understand what it actually means, this word as well. But first, how do you say, how do you pronounce this word? Tinnitus is one way of saying it. There is another one. Tinnitus is probably the most common in English, especially in the UK, in British English, now in US. Americans often pronounce it also as tinnitus. Tinnitus is also a correct pronunciation, so two different ways, tinnitus or tinnitus. An example of sentence. This is actually the definition. Tinnitus or tinnitus is the term for hearing sounds that come from inside your body rather than from an outside source. Tinnitus or tinnitus is how you pronounce it correctly, and now I'm sure you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, and more videos for you here. For more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.